Today we are putting together a 10 by 10 metal shed by Patiowell. And here to help me today is my daughter Meg.
Hi.
And we're gonna girl power through this thing and get it done. Okay, it's all unboxed and ready to go. 4 boxes. I set it on 4 pallets. But before we could do anything, we had to decide on a foundation for this shed. You have options. You can do a concrete slab, you can do a pier and beam, or you can just put it on dirt like I'm going to do. I think it looks pretty good. All right, we're tamping it down. Putting these bottom beams together for the foundation, as it were, of the shed wasn't too hard. We were a little nervous, but we just kept referring to the directions and forging ahead. We finished the foundation. How long do you think that took, Megan? 45 minutes, something like that. And then it was time to start on the corners. Make sure you don't do this on a windy day. They caution you with that in the instruction book. Okay, and the 4 corners are up. Fastening the 4 corners to each other. For sure a 2-person job. And then we were able to start putting the walls up. For this, we did have some help. I know I said girl power and all that, but when my son-in-law showed up and offered his help, we were not turning it down. The walls went up very quickly.
I have to pull this rail up. Crazy. Oh, perfect.
It was at this point I got really excited. I could see the vision. We weren't able to finish the shed in one day. So a few days later, when everyone was at work, I got to thinking, maybe I can put these roof panels on by myself. And I decided to give it a shot. And wouldn't you know, I was able to do it. It took me a while. It for sure would have gone faster with 2 people, but I just took my time, little by little, and got each roof panel up all by myself. Just to touch back on the foundation question really quickly, I did want to say that while there are options, I chose to go with the dirt foundation because this is going to be strictly a garden shed. My lawnmower and things like that are going to go in there, so I don't really need a concrete slab and didn't want to mess with putting together a pier and beam. So this dirt foundation is going to work just fine. And while I'm going to be using it as a garden shed, there are lots of different things that you could do with it. You're out in the country and you need a cover for your well pump. You could use it as a well house. You could use it as a playhouse for kiddos if you wanted to, or just to store something because it has the double doors. You could store larger things in there as well. But for me, just a simple garden shed. I know it looks like a warm day because the sun's out, but it is not. Cheers. Okay, we're getting close. Hey Reese, look, I got that part done. I see you're very impressed. I ended up doing the whole roof by myself. Step 35, the doors. I got this. Much to my surprise, and everyone else's, I actually managed to put the doors together by myself as well. And then thankfully my daughter Megan came back to help me hang these doors. There was no way I was going to be able to do that by myself. Easy open, easy close. And we did it. Thanks, Patiowell, for making a great shed so easy to put together.